After purchasing a mechanical keyboard, one of my favorite things to do is upgrading the keycaps. Now, there's nothing wrong with the OEM keycaps that come with your keyboard. I just like the idea of being able to customize a keyboard to give it a unique appearance. Since putting keycaps are becoming pretty popular, I decided to pick up my own to see how it fits into my setup. In this case, I decided to go with the white edition to match it with my AM Pro 2. These pudding keycaps are PPT styled keycaps that split into 2 layers. Your standard keycaps will have the die surrounding the entire material, while pudding keycaps are dyed near the surface, then split into a translucent layer. This 2-layer design allows users that have RGB on their keyboard to transmit the LED lights into a soft tone. Inserting them into your keyboard is probably going to be the most tedious process. Simply remove the current keycaps that are installed on your keyboard and then replace it with the new variant. Now, it may look like a normal keyboard, but once you turn off the lights and turn on the keyboard LEDs,
lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Lastly, for those that are curious about the price, it currently retails for $20 depending on where you live. If you're interested in picking up your own set, I'll leave a link in the description below.